Justice for a Gwinnett County community shaken by a deadly shooting at a strip mall. Police say this man, 22-year-old Xavier Jones, is now in custody. He is charged in the murder of Jarrett Mitchell. Mitchell and another man were shot outside Discover Wings on Indian Trail, Lilburn Road in Norcross back in April. Family members say Mitchell was out shopping for his birthday when he was shot.
New at 11, Teamsters say they have reached an agreement on heat safety for UPS workers. This includes retrofitting delivery vehicles with air conditioning, which was a big requirement for employees. But negotiations are far from over. Workers want more money, better benefits, as well as better working conditions. Negotiations will continue tomorrow.
Henry County joins hundreds of other counties across the country to reimagine how mental illness is dealt with by the law. Atlanta News First reporter Joshua Skinner spoke with a judge who hopes a new policy means a mental health revolution is within reach.
Last week, the Henry County Commissioners Court unanimously approved an initiative to help bring awareness to mental illness as well as to work to decriminalize it. The goal is twofold: to shorten the amount of time people are stuck in the legal system and in places like the Henry County Jail, as well as eventually working to keep them out of the system altogether.
Judge Brian Amaro has been trying to help people stuck on the fringes of society for a long time. In his words,
forever.
In his nearly 2 decades as a judge within Henry County, Amaro has seen the approach to the legal system change. And yet throughout the progress, Amaro oozes frustration.
We have all of those things, and yet we're still not doing nearly enough.
But last week, the ball got rolling. Henry County commissioners passed the Stepping Up resolution with the goal of reducing the number of people suffering from mental illness in the Henry County Jail.
Schizophrenia, schizoaffective disorder, bipolar disorder with psychotic traits.
Of the over 900 people in the jail, an estimated 21% have severe mental illness.
This is not the way things should work.
The resolution makes Henry County one of more than 520 counties across the country working together to find a solution to speedier mental health care and breaking the cyclical legal path that many mentally ill inmates find themselves stuck in. Judge Amaro hopes a full-bodied answer begins to crystallize when the 500-plus step-up counties get together this September. Now an evolution is within reach if a revolution on attacking mental illness becomes a priority.
We need to shine some light on this issue. We need to stop this from happening. We need to find a better way.
In Henry County, Joshua Skinner, Atlanta News First.
Still ahead.